So welcome friends, niche research for blogging. In this video you will learn two methods to research a niche for your blogging journey. Okay, so I'll be using semrush.com for this particular work. Okay, so I will leave the link of semrush in description, so you have to create account and get 7 days free trial. Because in these seven, if you don't have budget, get 7 days free trial. If you have budget, I recommend you for a purchase a plan for a month to make sure to find all these niches, keywords, do a comprehensive keyword research, backlink strategy that will be using in next that you will be using in next 6 months. Okay, so after creation of account, you have to go to this keyword, enter any. I'll be using two methods for keyword research, niche research for blogging. The first is using a seed keyword, the second is using our website. Okay, so let's start with the first method, which is, for example, if I want to target any keyword, like if you don't know what to target, you just have to type your interest. You have some, for example, if you have knowledge in softwares, you have to type any softwares. For example, if I want to target software niche, I will type software and just tap search button, and then this will tell me the total search volume and the competition in software niche. Which software niche competition will be very high, I know, because all media sites, 49 million search volume in US, 29 total search volume. So I will be with all keywords. Okay, and we will be finding some sort of low hanging fruits. If there are some, for example, 50k plus search volume for low low keyword difficulty websites, keywords, then we are good to go. We can easily target software because we don't have to target general VPNs. Okay, after that you have to tap at this keyword difficulty filter and drop down this to 25. If you are absolute beginner, you can target 0 to 50, 15, and average get it down to 16. You can see. Okay, I want to, for example, I want to create a blog around softwares. I want to review softwares. I have some knowledge of software reviews. Then you can see Kuta software, around 10,000 search volume with average, with very easy chance to, your chance to start ranking new pages. You can easily rank this keyword Kuta software. So you will earn some sort of commission. Tournament softwares, top 5 tournament softwares. Write a transactional keyword, pick 5 tournament soft. If you don't have joined, if you already have any affiliate program joined, then you can select that, and I'll put the link of impact.com in description. So please join impact affiliate network to find products relevant to, for example, Kuta softwares, tournament softwares, and all these software input panels. And then, so if your domain is brand new, I mean brand new mean less than 1 month after registration of, you have to tap at advanced filters, and results in search should not be more than 100. Okay, now we will find some keywords with lowest KD, and people, and less than 100 people have targeted the particular keyword. It means if I publish uh, new piece of content around those keywords, I will have, you can see tournament software. Very few people have targeted tournament software. So if I target tournament software today, for example, I write about top 5 tournament softwares for 2024, I'll be ranking in next 1 month. If my domain is brand new, if my domain is some sort of so we are here to find a niche, so we can go through all these keywords. Okay, if your brand already, you have taken a brand domain, you can easily target all these keywords. So I'll put the, to get the domains, I'll put the best web hosting and the best domain provider, leave link in description of this video. So you have to get that, and you can see data warehouse software, top 5 data warehouse. So you should target all these keywords. Okay, and you are good to go. clip-in softwares, top 5 clip-in softwares, and find affiliate programs around these softwares. And you can, if you rank in top 10, you can manually reach out to them to increase the commission rates, and they will be happier to increase you some extra commission. For example, 50% commission rates, 40% commission rates, from 20 to or 10%. Okay, so this is the first method to find a niche. The criteria of niche should be, if it has more than 100k, I would say 50k. Even if it has 50k total volume and average KD of less than 20, you can easily go for that niche. So this is the first. For example, I found software niche very easy for me. Okay, so this is the first method to find a niche.